How to buy Bitcoin on Revolut app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can buy Bitcoin on the Revolut app. For this, you first of all want to download and install the Revolut app on your device. Once you have installed it, open the app. Now, the first thing you want to do here is log into your account. For that, click on the login option, enter your mobile number and password, and complete the verification steps in order to be logged into your Revolut account. If you are new to this, click on the sign up option in order to create a new account. Once you have been logged into your account, the first step you want to do is top up your account with fiat currency. You will be able to access all the features the app provides after your registration is set up. From the menu, you can access your accounts, transaction history, conduct a transfer, and manage your Revolut debit cards. However, to buy crypto on the platform, you will need to add fiat currency to your account first. From the home screen, click on Add Money. Choose the type of bank transfer or bank card to add the money. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your account details. When you add fiat currency on the Revolut app, the total amount will show on the home screen under your accounts. Now you will be able to buy crypto. Click on the crypto from the menu. From this page, you can access your total portfolio value, transaction history, and investments. Next, click on Trade and choose Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrency. Click on the Buy option. Then you will be prompted to add in how much Bitcoin to buy from the total amount of fiat in your account. All you want to do is tap on the Buy BTC with Euro option and then follow the on-screen instructions. And in this way, you can very easily buy Bitcoin on the Revolut app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.